Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Unitygames and welcome to my new devlog series. So as some of you may already know, in my last devlog video for my previous game, Lord of the Skies, I released it on itch.io for PC only, but I'll be releasing it for mobile very soon. So you guys should be expecting it. So just put it out one more time, and if you didn't already know, well, now you know. So yeah. So once I was done with that game, I really didn't want to waste any more time, because like for about a month I didn't release a video until recently that I released a devlog for my previous game. So yeah, I just said I should move to my next project, which is making my very first platformer game in Unity. Like seriously guys, this is literally the first platformer game I'm going to make and finish. I think I worked on a little platformer prototype about a year ago, just for a day, and I never got back to the project, which is kind of sad now that I think about it. But nevertheless, I'm going to be making this new platformer game, which I'm going to finish hopefully. And yeah, we'll just see how the project goes. Like, I don't know how this platformer game is actually going to play out, but we are definitely going to do it. And I'm open to suggestions anytime. So anything you guys want to see in the game, let me know and I will try and implement it. So yeah, so with all of that said, let's get into the devlog. So as a good Unity game developer, I knew what to do. Start a new Unity project. Yeah. After that, I created a bunch of files in Unity to keep things in order. Then I moved on to working on the player game object, with one of the most symbolic shapes on the planet, a square. Yeah, I know guys, I know. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. And just like that, the square now has a collider and rigid body components. And that means he has physics. Also created a short list on everything I had to do on the game that day. Then it was time for coding. I created a player movement script and started writing some dumb codes which will get the player moving left and right. And yeah, now the player can move left and right. Just give it a speed of 1000 and voila. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. And with that, the player can now move left and right. Awesome. Then I created a flip system which gets the player to rotate anytime he moves in the other direction. Also made a jump system. There's nothing much to say about it. It works, and that's all you need to know. And that was number one of my list. So let's move on to one of the fun things in this game, the pew pew for the player. Then I started putting together a gun with a bunch of squares in Unity. Like seriously guys, the square shape is one of the most iconic shape in the video game industry. Like, what is better than stacking up a bunch of squares together? Leave your answers in the comments guys. Well, anyway guys, now we have a gun with terrible graphics made in Unity. Then I wrote a little script which actually makes the gun shoot. Then also worked on the gun's bullet, so anytime you press the space button, the gun fires out some projectiles, which is super cool by the way. So yeah, and that was off my list. Then I quickly took a quick walk just to get some fresh air, because I've been sitting right here on the computer playing video games and working on this game. So yeah, I definitely needed some fresh air. So when I got back from my little break, I started working on the enemy, also with a square, and now he also has physics. Then I wrote a script which basically puts the enemy in a simple patrolling state And I'm not gonna lie, I got this code off of Blackton Pros tutorial. So yeah, just putting that out. And now the enemy also takes damage whenever he's being shot at. So when player goes pew pew, enemy goes dead. So finally on my list was to create a test level, which I'm gonna show you guys a time span of me creating this crappy level. Note it's a prototype, so this level might not actually be in the real game, and these are just default arts for now. So I'm definitely going to be spicing up the art style later on in the devlog. So anyway, yeah, just watch. So this level was basically just made to just test out everything I've done using the Unity time map system. So I was able to quickly put together this simple level, which is actually nice, by the way. Yeah. So there we have it, guys. So that is a little platformer game with terrible graphics made in Unity. But as we go on in this devlog series, the game is going to keep looking better and better and better until we have what we want. So yeah, so if you like this video and enjoyed it, please leave the video a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, dislike the video, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. And yeah, so before I wrap up this video, I quickly want to tell you guys that if you guys are fans of Apex Legends and you want to see amazing gameplays and tips and tricks, my buddy has a Apex Legend, or rather a gaming channel, so you guys can check him out. He has amazing gameplay videos there. The link will be in the description, and also the link to my previous game Lord of Disguise for PC version will also be in the description. So yeah, so guys, yeah, when you're done, just check the descriptions for link and go to the links, do those crazy stuffs. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. That's the game, that's the video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next devlog. Bye bye.